go. I'ma get what I want. I ain't leaving empty-handed, bitch. You know where I'm from. Gonna stick that crown on with some glue. Gonna go right back and hit undo. Let me put in RuPaul's address on that season 10 Express. Make sure that I look my best. Thank God I dress to impress. Don't work, work the world. I'ma go back and show them how I work. Work the world. This song anything you better work. Work the world. I'll sell it for cops if it don't work. You better work, 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 work. I know. Let's go. Take me on a time machine. Let's go.
Let's learn Work the World. It's choreographed by Rebecca Lee, Mark Furnell, and Chris Godden. It is a 100-count, one-wall, phrased advanced line dance. The phrasing for the dance is intro, A, B, C, C, A, tag, C, 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 A, D, C, tag, C, and then C, 16 counts with an ending. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance part by part, section by section, using steps and counts. We'll then practice each part to the front using steps and counts before going around and dancing the full phrasing of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Work the World. We're going to start with the intro. Even though the intro is not listed on the step sheet, if you go somewhere and they dance it, they're probably going to do this intro. So the intro happens 8 counts into the start of the song. You're going to have weight on both feet facing 12 o'clock. You're going to bring your right arm up slowly and your left arm down slowly. So your right arm is at about 12 o'clock and your left arm is at about 6 o'clock. We're now going to slowly rotate our arms, making semicircles. Your right is going to go to the right and your left is going to come up to the left. And they're going to switch spots, so your left will be up and your right will be down. We're now going to repeat that, going the opposite direction. Your left hand will be going down, right hand will be coming up, and they'll be switching spots. You're then going to do that again, right hand down, left hand up, coming around. And then one more time, bringing your right hand up, left hand down, so that your right hand is back up top and your left hand is at the bottom. That's going to happen over about 32 counts. So let's try it, bringing those arms up. Now you're rotating around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, I'm going to turn so you can see what my arm's doing. So your right arm is up, your left arm is down right now. You're going to bring your arms slowly down so they meet at about chest height. Your left hand's going to be on the bottom and your right hand is going to be on the top. They're going to be parallel to each other across your chest. You're then going to do piano fingers, starting with your right. You're going to bring your right hand coming across your left arm, bringing that elbow to the right, and then you're going to put your right hand out front to face the front wall. So your fingers will be pointing the front. You're now going to do the same thing with the left, but your left is just going to do the air. You're going to bring that left elbow out to the side, slowly bringing your left fingers forward. We're now going to do piano fingers slowly coming down right now. Both arms are about chest height. You're going to bring both fingers playing the piano slightly to the right, and then go slightly down, traveling to the left, slightly down, traveling to the right, slightly down, traveling to the left. And when you get to the left, you want to put your weight on your left foot so that you can start A. So now let's face 12 o'clock. We're going to just do the arms coming together in the piano finger part. So our right hand would be up, left hand would be down. They're slowly coming together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're going to do piano with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Piano with the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now your piano fingers back and forth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight is on your left foot, and then you're ready to go into A. That intro only happens at the start of the dance. Other than that, you won't dance it again. So now let's practice the whole thing, and then we'll go into A. So you're standing facing the front. Both arms are going to slowly come up and down. Now you're going to bring them around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight is on your left foot, ready to go into A. A is 16 counts. It only happens a few times in the dance. It's usually going to be followed by B, which only happens once, or like tags or the special sections of the dance. So we're going to start by doing a nightclub to the right. So you're going to step your right foot to the side, rock your left foot behind your right, and recover onto your right foot. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side. As you step to the side, you're going to do a half spiral over your right shoulder on the ball of your left foot, slightly lifting that right leg up. You're now at 6 o'clock. We're now going to do a half run around with a sleep. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot. Step forward with your left and make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot and sweeping your left from back to front. We're now going to weave, crossing our left over our right. Step your right foot to the side, cross your left behind your right, and sweep your right from front to back. You're now going to cross your right behind your left and make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. Stepping to the side. 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 5. 6 and 7. 8 and. The second section is repeating what we just did, but you're going to have to make a quarter turn to start the section. So you're going to make that quarter turn over your left shoulder as you go into your right nightclub. So you're going to do your big step to the right, step your left next to your right, cross your right over your left. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side and do that half spiral over your right shoulder on the ball of your left foot, slightly lifting that right leg up. You're now at 12 o'clock. We're going to do that half run around over our right shoulder. You're going to make that quarter turn, stepping forward with your right foot. Step your left next to your right, and then step forward with your right foot, sweeping your left from back to front. You're now back at 6 o'clock, and then we're going to do the weave, crossing left over right, right side, left behind, and sweep your right from front to back. You're going to cross your right behind your left, and you're going to make that quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. When you go into all the sections that follow A, you're going to have to make that quarter turn to start the next section, which is usually a tag or some sort of step where we're walking or we're stepping to the side. So you're going to use that side step to square yourself back up to 12 o'clock. So let's try that last section with some counts. You're facing 9 o'clock. You're going to make that quarter turn over your left shoulder going into your nightclub. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and that is all of A. So let's try it all the way through, one time with steps, one time with counts. Weights on your left foot, you're doing your nightclub basic. It's side, together, cross, half spiral, half run, 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 sweep, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, quarter, quarter, nightclub, rock, recover, half spiral, run, 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 sweep, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, quarter, and then just remember to start whatever comes after A, you have to make that quarter turn to 12 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. Nightclub to the right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and that is all of A. So now let's talk about B. B is 20 counts. It only happens one time and one time only in the dance. So remember, every time we finish an A, you're going to have to make that quarter turn over your left shoulder to return to 12 o'clock. So you're going to start A by making that quarter turn, and you're going to step your right foot to the right side. You're now facing 12 o'clock. We're going to bump our hip. So as you step, you're going to bump your hip to the right, bump your hip to the left, bump your hip to the right, bump your hip to the left. We're now going to walk forward. We're going to step right, left, right, and then we're going to do a step half pivot. We're going to step forward with our left, do that half pivot over your right shoulder, quickly putting your weight onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Currently weights on your left foot, you're facing 3 o'clock. You're going to make that quarter turn and bump your hip. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Section 2 of B. We're going to do 3 walks forward, starting with our left foot. You're going to step left, right, left. We're now going to do that step half pivot again. We're going to step forward with our right, do that half pivot over your left shoulder, quickly putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now at 12 o'clock. You're going to point your right toe to the right side, and we're going to hold for 3 counts. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on our right foot. You're going to do your walk forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. The last section is only 4 counts. So we're going to quickly step our right next to our left, point your left toe to the left side, and hold. You're now going to quickly step your left next to your right and point your right toe to the right side and hold. And that is the end of B. So let's try that last part with some counts. We would have just pointed our right toe to the right side. You're going to do your switch. And 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4. And that is all of B. So now let's practice B all the way through. Remember, you're starting it by facing 3 o'clock. You're going to make that quarter turn and bump your hip to the right. So it's quarter turn, bump, right, left, walk, right, step, half, walk, 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 step, half, point, hold, 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 switch, point, hold, switch, point, hold. And that's it. So let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot, you're facing 3, you're making that quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4. And that is all of B. Remember, you only do it one time. After that, you don't have to worry about B again. Now let's talk about C. C is 32 counts. It's the section of the dance that you're going to dance the most in this dance. Your weight will be on your left foot facing 12 o'clock. We're going to start by rocking forward onto our right foot, recover back onto your left, and as you recover back, you're going to sweep your right from front to back. You're now going to do a right pony back. You're going to step back with your right, slightly hitching that left knee up. Step the ball of your left foot slightly next to your right, step back with your right, and hitch your left knee slightly up. We're now going to step forward with our left foot, and you're going to sweep your right from back to front. And then we're going to do a syncopated jazz box, crossing our right over our left. Step back with your left, quickly step your right foot to the right side, and cross your left over your right. Let's try that with some counts. Pressing forward or rocking forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a Dorothy or a wizard with our right. So you're going to step your right foot forward and slightly into that right diagonal. Bring your left foot in and behind your right and quickly step your right foot forward. We're now going to point our left toe to the left side, and we're going to do a half Monterey turn over our left shoulder. You're going to pivot on the ball of your right foot, making that half turn, stepping your left foot next to your right to face 6 o'clock. You're going to step your right foot to the right side. You're going to hold. Then you're going to do a ball side, quickly stepping your left next to your right. Step your right foot to the side. You're going to take your left toe and touch it behind your right. Let's try that with some counts. We would have just crossed our left over our right. You're doing your wizard or your Dorothy into that right diagonal. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Section 3, you're going to step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to do a counterclockwise hip roll going around from left all the way around, nice and slow, putting your weight on to your left foot and then flicking your right foot back. You're now going to cross your right over your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. And then you're going to do a right shuffle back, step back, right, left together, right back. Let's try that with some counts. We would have been facing 6 o'clock. Left toe is behind our right. You're stepping to the side and rolling. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of C. We're going to rock back with our left foot, recover onto your right, and then you're going to do a left shuffle forward, step left forward, right together, left forward. We're now going to do a 3/4 turning box step. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side. You're now facing 6 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock. And you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to return to 12 o'clock, and that is the end of the dance. So let's practice it with some counts. We would have just shuffled back with our right. You're rocking back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the end of C. So now let's try it all the way through, one time with steps, one time with counts. Weights on your left foot, you're doing your rock forward. It's rock, recover, sweep, back, pony, step, step, sweep, cross, back, ball, cross. Dorothy and point, half Monterey side. Hold ball side, touch behind, step side, roll and flick. Cross quarter back, shuffle back, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, 3/4 turning box. It's side, quarter, quarter, quarter. And you'll return to 12 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're rocking with your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is all of C. So now, there are 2 more parts in this dance. One is the tag and one is D. Let's talk about the tag because it happens more frequently than D. All you're going to do is the tag is to do a slow counterclockwise hip roll. Ending A, you're going to make that quarter turn, doing that hip roll around, and then making sure your weight's on your left foot. When it's other parts in the dance, you'll be facing the front because it will be the end of C. You're just going to step to the side, roll your hips, and then go into that next section. Now let's talk about D. D is where in a group you will clump all together. So you'll slowly work everybody's way into the center of the room. What you want to make sure is that you have enough room and you have time to go back to your spot. So you're slowly going to walk back or forward or side, wherever you are, to join the middle over 16 counts. So if you're already in the middle, you can kind of walk around other people. All you have to do is walk in a general vicinity towards the center over 16 counts. So however that is, right now I'm going to say that I'm in the front. So I'm going to slowly walk back, and I may walk side to side slightly over that 16 counts until I'm in a clump. So we're going to walk back, right, left, right, left, right, left for 16 counts until you are in the center and you want to be split weight. Now, we're going to start by pushing our shoulders to the right. Then you're going to bend your knees and kind of sit down, keeping your body to the right. You're now going to push your body to the left, and you're going to straighten your knees coming up. You're now going to bring both hands out and up, and you're going to do 3 ticks around like we would have to start the dance, but instead of being 8 counts, it's only 3. So you're going to tick around, switching hands. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and by then your hands should be switched, so your left hand will be up, right hand will be down. You're now going to bring both hands together, and you're going to compress slightly with bent knees, and you're going to hold. You're now going to hop both feet together coming up, and then you're going to run into wherever you were for 3 counts, right, left, ready to start the dance all over again. So let's practice that D. It happens 1 time, and you're going to hear it in the music, and then after that you don't dance it again. So you're going to slowly walk for 16 counts. We're going to try the whole thing with some counts. Walking around, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to go into C. And that's all the parts of the dance. So you have to remember, you have your intro. Your A is your nightclub section. It's going to say in the song, I need a time machine. That's the part that you're going to do. B is just beats. Doon, 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 doon. When you hear that in the music, that means you're doing B. C is the one that happens the most. It's going to be in the chorus. It's going to be majority of the song. The tag is going to come when there's 4 counts of no music. You're going to do your roll and then go into whatever section is next. D is going to sound like ticks, and you're going to walk into the center. That's your clumping portion. Now the end of the dance happens with a short C and an ending. So let's dance up to the 16 counts of C, and then we'll talk about the ending. So weight would be on your left foot. You're starting with your rock forward. So it's rock, recover, sweep, pony, back step, sweep, cross, back, ball, cross. Wizard, half Monterey, side, hold, ball, side, touch behind. Right here is 16 counts. What you are going to do is you're going to turn to the front, and there's not really any counts for the ending. You're going to have to listen to the music. You're going to have a couple of counts of just quiet, and then all of a sudden it's going to go doom, and it's going to have a big ending. On that big ending, you want to punch up into the sky so that you hit that big ending. It's about 3 or 4 counts, so you want to make sure that you're turning. So I would say make that quarter turn, and then the quarter turn, and then punch up. And that is the end of the dance. So now let's go around. We're going to do the full phrasing of the dance. We're going to do the intro, A, B, C, C, A, tag, C, 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 A, D, C, tag, C, and C, that is 16 counts with our ending. I'm going to rotate between steps and counts for each one. So we'll start by doing A, B, and C with steps. The next C will have counts. The next A will have counts. We'll do the tag, and we're going to rotate between the two just so you can get a vibe of the way that the dance would go. So we're going to face the front. We're going to start with our intro. You have 8 counts when the song starts to be facing the front and have your hands up. So however you use those 8 counts, you want to make sure that when you're done with the first 8 counts of the song, your arms are up at a ready to rotate position. If you're already out on the floor, you can slowly use those 8 counts to bring your arms up and down. So we're starting, weights split. You're facing 12 o'clock. You're going to start with the intro. Bring your arms up. Now we're going to rotate around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring them down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Piano with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back and forth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going into A, our nightclub. So it's side or rock and half spiral, half run, 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 sweep. Cross, side, behind, sweep. Behind, quarter, quarter, nightclub. Rock and half spiral, half run, 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 sweep. Cross, side, behind, sweep. Behind, quarter. Now we're going into B, making that quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side and bumping your hip. Bump, 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 bump. Walk, 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 step, half. Walk, 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 step, half, point. Hold, 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 switch, point. Hold, switch, point, hold. Go into C. You're doing your rock, back, sweep. Pony, back, step, sweep, cross, back, ball, cross. Wizard, and your point, half Monterey side. Hold, ball, side, touch behind, step, side, hip roll with a flick. Cross, quarter, back, and your shuffle, back, rock, back, recover, shuffle forward. Side, quarter, quarter, C. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to A, the nightclub. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and now you're going to make that quarter turn and do your tag with your big hip roll. Roll, and now you're going to go into C. So you're doing your rock, sweep, pony, back step, sweep, cross, back, ball, cross. Dorothy, and your point, half turn, side, hold, ball, side, touch behind, step, side, roll, and flick. Cross, quarter, back, shuffle back, rock back, recover, shuffle forward. Now your 3/4 turning box. Now your rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more C. Rock, sweep, pony, back, step, sweep, cross, back, ball, cross. Dorothy, and point, half, step, hold, ball, step, touch behind, now hip roll, and flick. Cross, quarter, back, shuffle back, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, 3/4 turning box. Now you're going to do an A, nightclub, half spiral, half run, 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 sweep, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, quarter, quarter, nightclub, rock, recover, half spiral, half run, 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 sweep, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, quarter. Right now, you're going to be going into D. So you're going to do your 16 counts of walking back or walking around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulders right, down, left, up. Bring your arms up and tick around. Tick, tick, tick. Press them together, squat. Hop together, run, 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 run. Start C. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do your tag roll. Now you're going to do C and then a short C. So it's rock, sweep, pony, step, sweep, cross, back, ball, cross. Dorothy, and point, half turn, step, hold, ball, step, touch behind, and hip roll, and flick. Cross, quarter, back, shuffle back, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, turning box. Now 16 counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Now you're going to turn to the front for 1, 2, and punch up, boom. And that is the whole dance. So now, there's a little bit of styling stuff that you can add. It's really only on the hip rolls. You can do the hip rolls all the way around, nice and big. You want to make them really big. Or what Rebecca does in some of the parts is she makes it kind of like go side, back, forward, side, back, around, and she goes around like that. You can do that as well. I just do the hip rolls. So do whichever one feels good for you. Now that you have practiced it with the tutorial, go and scroll to the end of this video and practice with the rear facing demo so that when you go out onto the dance floor, you can rock it with everybody else. I hope this helped you learn Work the World. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
See no sign, it's the hour. Ring the alarm, then make it louder. Watch me do it, yeah. Give me that green light, I wanna make that wrong right. I got the crown right in my eyesight. Watch me do it. Now work the world. I'ma go back and show them how I work the world. This so anything you better work the world. I'ma sell it for parts if it don't work. It's better work. Let's go. I'ma get what I want. I ain't leaving empty-handed, bitch. You know where I'm from. Gonna stick that crown on with some glue. Gonna go right back and hit undo. Let me put in RuPaul's dress on that season 10 Express. Make sure that I look my best. Thank God I dressed to impress. Now work the world. I'ma go back and show them how I work the world. This so anything you better work the world. I'ma sell it for parts if it don't work. This better work. I need a time machine.